Alright, so now we're on to talking about the title of the short story, and that's the wallpaper. There's so many things that this wallpaper represents and symbolizes in this story, and how much she talks about it, and the patterns, and then slowly as she's going insane, she sees so much more in the wallpaper, and what slowly makes her go insane, pretty much. And the color symbolizes a lot, because yellow is usually such a happy color. It's sunlight and flowers, and just it's supposed to be a happy color. And the way this wallpaper is faded and gross and disgusting, it just shows her depression and her sadness, and it represents it so much. And she talks about it. She talks about how just disgusting this wallpaper is, and she tells her husband how she just can't stand this dreadful wallpaper. And who can blame her? I'm personally not a fan of yellow, but it is such a happy color. It does make me feel happy when I see it fresh and bright, and makes me think of flowers and sunlight. But in this case, in this dreadful room with the bed nailed and the bars on the window and the door being locked, it's so dreadful. And I think the color symbolizes her sadness and her being sad and the depression she's going through. The next thing is how the description of the wallpaper changes throughout the short story and the way she describes it. At first she's just like, okay, it's a yellow wallpaper, and then the wallpaper becomes something different. She oh gosh. The wallpaper is just such a big part, and it changes her description changes about it because she's trying to understand like why it's such a dreadful color of yellow. Like I said, it's supposed to be happy, and she her opinion on it intensifies because it starts to take a life of its own, and it starts to mess with her head, and she starts seeing the patterns moving and stuff moving in the wallpaper, and that change in her description shows that she's mentally changing. She's becoming a lot more aware of what's going on in her head, and seeing that represented throughout the wallpaper, and the eventually the women in the wallpaper who are shaking the pattern and showing this escape she wants to get to because she can't stand the wallpaper. In this quote, she says, "It is the strangest yellow, that wallpaper. It makes me think of all the yellow things I ever saw, not beautiful ones like buttercups, but old, foul, bad yellow things." And her saying that really goes with what I was talking about, how when she would think of yellow, she would think of those beautiful things like buttercups and flowers and sun. But this wallpaper is making her think of foul and just bad yellow things that she doesn't want to think of when she sees the color yellow. And she talks to John about it too, how she can't stand this yellow wallpaper, and she just can't bear being in this room anymore, and he just ignores her, and they keep her isolated once more, and that just builds up kind of the ending, which I'm going to talk about next how everything went down and what her demise ended up being and what that demise means and what I speculated that truly happened and why it happened.